Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today marks 6 months. I cannot believe that I have made it 6 months with dreads. I'm surprised, but I'm doing everything I'm told I'm supposed to, and I just try to maintain the best I can now. Sometimes I do get lazy, and I won't separate as good, and then I'll notice because they'll start to be sticking together, and then you just gotta rip them, man, like rip them apart. But overall, I think that they look healthy. They're doing really good. I mean, I'm gonna take a shower tonight. Ironically, I probably should have done this video after that. These might look a little rough, but I mean, no, they're healthy stalks or branches. And if you would have asked me a year ago if I thought I would have finally made the commitment, I would have said no. I ain't got a whole lot of tips for you guys, really. Aside from, just do your palm rolling and do your separating. You're gonna know it if you do not separate enough and then you finally rip one of those apart, or you go to your loctician to have it done and they're like, oh man, and then they start ripping them apart. You would rather you do it than them. That's the best tip I can give you for month 6. At this point, I like to play around with them. I like to put the top hair up in a ponytail and do weird pineapples and all kinds of just different playing with it and putting it up. And I think it helps sometimes too. Like, so if I have the top part in a ponytail, but the bottom locks down, then it's not like they're all getting connected together, or they don't quite have that ability. Now, them within that tail, you don't want to keep them too long because they will start to lock up too in their own thing. But I think it keeps the top hair away from the bottom hair, allows you to separate this throughout the day, and so on and so forth. If you guys have any questions at all, don't be afraid to put them in the comments below, and I will get back to y'all as soon as possible. I know a lot of people probably don't watch us. This is more like my personal, I'm going to look back on this in a year, and I'm going to be amazed, hopefully. So, I thank you, those of you that do watch this journey with me. Let me know in the comments how far you are in your journey, and so on and so forth. Whoop whoop, much love. Tell somebody you love them.